Good day, welcome to my channel. Today we will be cooking pinangat sa Rattan. This dish is native to the Philippines. Almost every household cooks this dish. We will be using rattan fruit as our souring agent. Most Filipinos use other forms of souring agents like tamarind, starfruit, or even unripe mango. All we need to do is prepare our aromatics and saute until tender. As I prepare the ingredients, enjoy watching the rest of the video. Now I put the rattan fruit in the pot and simmer in low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes or until all the flavors have been released to the soup stock. Pour in about 2 cups of water and boil for at least 5 minutes for all the flavors to combine. Also, add salt and pepper to taste. Now we put in our fish. Here we have a variety of fish. Now we put our vegetables. Simmer the vegetables for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Now it's ready to be served on a hot plate of rice. Enjoy this meal with your family and friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.